Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is ready, battery charged and Spotify updated. Open the app and cue what you want to play. If you're on mobile, tap the Now Playing view. If on desktop, prepare the playlist and note you'll use either Spotify's sleep timer on mobile or a desktop automation. Once done, choose the exact endpoint, song, timer duration, or last track, and prepare to set the off action so playback stops when you want it to. Now configure the auto off. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu in Now Playing, select Sleep Timer and pick a duration or end of track. This is simple and reliable. On desktop, you'll need an automation. Create a scheduled script, use a shortcut tool, or a third-party app to pause Spotify after X minutes. Make sure to grant any permissions. To verify, run a short test with a 5-minute timer. This ensures your chosen method actually pauses playback and behaves predictably. Finish by confirming the timer works when the device locks or sleeps. This is where many setups fail. If it didn't stop, restart Spotify and check network or account sign-in, reauthorize any automation tools. For desktop scripts, inspect logs or permission prompts. Automations often need accessibility or automation access. If a third-party app misbehaves, remove and reinstall it. One key troubleshooting tip. Test with a different account or device to isolate whether the issue is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.